The 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a car that epitomizes the essence of American muscle. It's a car that conjures images of roaring engines, performance, and an unmistakable presence on the road. But what makes one particular 1992 Camaro Z28 so special isn't just its design or its iconic V8 engine, it's the fact that it's a true time capsule, having been driven a mere 1,324 miles since it left the factory more than 30 years ago. This incredibly low mileage is what makes this particular Camaro Z28 an absolute gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Set to hit the auction block this May at Mecum Auctions, this untouched classic is sure to attract a lot of attention from those looking to add a unique piece of automotive history to their collections. It's not every day that such a low-mileage example of an iconic muscle car comes around, and it's one of those opportunities you won't want to miss. The specifics of why this Camaro has been driven so little remain somewhat of a mystery. Mecum Auctions hasn't provided much insight into why the car has remained in storage for so long, other than the fact that the current owner has held onto it for the past 15 years. While it's certainly a bit sad to think of such a driver-focused car being parked away and used, it's undeniably cool to know that it's been preserved in such pristine condition and is now ready to be shared with the world. On the exterior, this 1992 Camaro Z28 is dressed in a striking shade of turquoise, which gleams under the light and sets the car apart from many others. Although only one image of the exterior has been released, the condition is nothing short of impressive. The paint looks flawless, without any noticeable scratches or dents, and the 5-spoke silver wheels still look brand new. This Camaro Z28 has clearly been a garage queen throughout its life, carefully stored away and protected from the elements. Step inside, and the preservation continues. The interior of the Camaro is just as remarkable, with original plastic still covering the seats and floor mats. There's no sign of wear on the fabric, leather, or plastic surfaces, suggesting that this Camaro has remained virtually untouched since it left the factory. It's a rare find for anyone seeking a vintage car that feels like it's just rolled off the production line. Under the hood, the Camaro Z28 is equipped with its original 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing 230 horsepower and 300 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this powertrain is capable of propelling the Z28 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 8.1 seconds. While that might seem slow by today's standards, back in the early 90s, this was considered quite fast for a production car. For anyone who appreciates the thrill of manual shifting and the raw power of a V8, this Camaro Z28 is sure to deliver the kind of driving experience that has been largely forgotten in modern cars. While the car's condition overall is superb, Mecum Auctions has shared some images of the Camaro's underside. While most of the undercarriage looks fantastic, there are some small areas of surface rust, but it's nothing significant that would affect the car's performance or longevity. Given the low mileage, these are minor imperfections that don't detract from the car's overall appeal. For those interested in potentially bidding on this rare Camaro Z28, the auction is scheduled for May 14th at the Indy event, and it promises to be an exciting moment for collectors. If you've been on the hunt for a time capsule muscle car, this might be your chance to own a piece of automotive history that's practically as close to new as it gets. Whether you plan to preserve it even further or take it out for a drive, there's no denying that this 1992 Camaro Z28 will continue to turn heads for years to come.